Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about comments and indentation in Python. We are going to discuss about comments in Python, different ways of comments, then finally indentation in Python. Before going into the details, please do like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icons to get latest notification, and here is my channel name, the Code Sprint. Comments in Python are used to explain the details of the code. It is needed to understand the code and modify in future by other team members. We can use hash at the beginning of every line of code to apply the comment. So here at the beginning of each line we have used hash function, hash symbol. So if I'll execute it, it will not print anything because it simply gets ignored by the compiler of Python. Then another way of using the comments is using triple quotes. For example, let's take this code and see. We are starting with the definition of a function, then we are using triple quotes here and we are writing something about the function. This function is written for displaying a message. Then one print function we are using. Where it is getting called, this function will jump here, then simply these two lines will get ignored by Python compiler, and finally only this line will get printed. So let's execute it and see. Here is the output. Next is indentation in Python. It is used to define the block of the code. Programming language like C, C++, and Java uses curly braces, but here in Python we use indentation. White space R used as indentation in Python. This is used while defining the block of the code, body of a function, loop, and condition. Generally, four white space are used as the indentation. The amount of the indentation depends on the user, but it must be consistent throughout the block. Personally, I use tab for indentation because it is easy to maintain the indentation throughout the program. The same program I'll explain here. It is started with these triple quotes and it is for comments. Then it ends with print. So we have around 5 lines of code, and each line of code has indentation like this many white space. So this is all about indentation and comments in Python. Thank you.